Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will learn how to check whether a given string is a palindrome using slicing in Python. So let's start with the program. Our first line is text equal to input enter a string. So here we are taking a string input from the user and storing it in a variable called text. Now next line is reverse equals to text minus 1. It means this is the most important step. Here we are using a slicing reverse the string. In slicing, our text means start, end and step. These are the three input we are using in the text in slicing. Now we are using step equals to minus 1, which means the string will be read in a reverse order. For example, if the input is madam, the reverse string will also be a madam. So next condition is if text equal to reverse. Here we are compare the original string with the reverse string. If both are equal, it means the string is palindrome. So with the help of print statement, we are printing palindrome. Now this print that the string is a palindrome. Our else part is print not a palindrome. If the strings are not equal, it means the string is not a palindrome. So this is a simple and efficient way to check palindrome using slicing in Python. So now let's execute this code. So enter a string. So here I am entering a string which is name as Samir. So as you can clearly see that this is not a palindrome. Now again we enter in a string which is madam. So this is a palindrome. So this is how this code will work. So like that you have to write in the examination along with the proper explanation and output to get the full marks. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.